Bro, finally I meet like someone normal, you know, like.
Finally, I met an ugly mother. You nerdy ass boy. Is your armpit hair pink as well?
Yeah.
That's weird.
I'm hair too.
I've seen it.
Damn. What about your asshole?
Yeah, it's pink.
Oh, yeah.
It used to be green. No, ¿qué color de pelo tenía? It used to be red, like more like a gingerbread.
Yeah.
Match your shirt.
Thank God it doesn't match my shirt no more. You have gauges?
Oh,
You
yeah.
definitely do. You have snake bites. What a stupid question.
I got 2 gauges.
Ew. Why?
Frank
Do you
Sinatra.
ever want to get it large enough that you could just put a penis in there? So it's like your personal pocket. What? Why? I don't think those go on the wall. Pretty sure they go
They
on the
actually,
record player.
fun fact, I can take every single one of these off and put it on a record player 2 feet away.
Do it right now. I wanna
They're
hear
protected.
I want to hear something. Go.
Actually, fuck, I'm not taking them off the wall. You know how
You,
to get
they
those
don't work.
symmetrical?
Don't care.
What do you mean they don't fucking work?
Get them gains, baby. You scrawny little bitch. Ugh! I got bigger guns than you. Wait. Gotta show. What up? Slutty! Let's get slutty!
You motherfucker, listen here. Listen here. You remember me, don't you?
I do.
You still look like a whole dude. You look like gender with a fucking wig on still. You understand me? Motherfucking gay as fuck. Damn. Damn.
Fuck you. What did I do to you?
Fuck you.
Drake! What's shit,
Yeah, my
dog?
nose is itchy as fuck.
Pick that bitch.
Hello. Oh,
Hello.
fuck. Hello.
How are you?
Gay.
Oh. Nice.
He's my dad. Daddy.
Suck his.
He has a vagina, ma'am. Yeah.
Lick it.
I mean,
What happened to your hair?
What happened to yours?
Mine? Oh, I tied it.
That's amazing. I think you just made a new invention.
Thank you. Don't play with fire. Yours will stay burnt. Bye bye.
How the fuck do you unsyrup a pancake?
You rinse it underwater. You're bitch made. Shut the fuck up.
Who's
Yeah,
me?
that
You're
ain't
literally
a
sitting in
You.
your second living
You
room.
do not
Hop
sound
off
like you're
my
from
nuts.
Baltimore.
You straighten your
Hop
hair
off
to
my
look
nut.
pretty.
Yeah, I don't straighten my hair to look pretty. I actually look better with it natural.
Cap.
So, suck my. And I have a
Major
rug on my
cap in
wall
your
because I
rap.
can.
Ooh, ego issues. You gonna keep talking shit, Rebecca?
Rebecca.
You're built like the stick bug off and goddamn Bug's life.
Becca, that's awesome.
Bro, where's your chin? Where's your jawline?
My chin? My chin's right here.
Where's your jawline?
Don't need one. It's actually called healthy weight.
Is it called healthy weight? You look overweight.
Overweight?
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Why are your hair
Just don't
flat
sit-
as?
My hair's flat because I just got out the shower.
Oh yeah, excuses. You still smell like shit. Alright, yo, I gotta go get content. I'll talk to you guys
we
later.
not content.
We got fucking content.
Oh, what am I gonna use you for 40 minutes?
Yeah, what the
Yes,
The f you ain't the spotlight, baby, unless you guys want to cast.
cast?
casting couch?
Oh
What's
shit!
the word?
Joe, chugga.
So like, do you pray to the devil?
Why do you ask me that?
Cause you look creepy.
I am the devil.
Oh, goodbye. Oh hell no.
I want to ball.
You look, with all due respect.
With all due respect, you look like a dude.
Step bro, I'm stuck. Can you help?
Let me get that mic for a second.
Well, fuck you too, p***y. Dumbass bitch.
Yo, why you getting disrespectful?
What she said?
Bro, I said
Actually,
step
though.
bro, I'm stuck.
So? What did
You
say
got a
that?
washer and dryer behind you, you dumb f.
So?
You catch my drift?
Bro, I don't understand why you're getting so heated. You think it's funny?
Do you catch my drift?
that is fuck. Don't do that again. I'm warning you.
Hello? Whoa, why is your camera all out of focus?
It's old.
It looks like you guys are drunk. Oh, Shut
Ow,
up.
why you telling me to shut up? Yo, Grant.
Stop fight you. What, you want an android?
Bro, no. Bro, I will beat you up so badly.
Don't Chris Brown me.
Bro, I got this, bro.
You broke your arm? Why'd you wink his cock so hard? Has your nose ring ever gotten caught on the lid of that? Ouch. What do you do?
Well, let me get it stuck on there really quickly. I kind of just let it sit there.
That doesn't hurt?
No.
No, that's weird. Ew. Jack.
Why?
Can skip me.
Hey, Ann.
I ain't your dad. I was trying to stay.
You have a nice gaming chair, bro.
Thanks, bro. Nice stash. I really with it.
It's alright. It's growing.
Yeah. Just like
In a
the
couple
kids they're
days?
growing on
Yeah,
you.
what games you play?
I play with a joystick.